Areas of North Little Rock are without electricity this evening, but it's not an unexpected development. With the threat of rising waters, one company is cutting power preemptively to avoid further damage. Hillary Hunt has details on this.
North Little Rock Electric tells me so far they've cut off power to 65 families in the area. But as you can see right here at the Willow Beach area, that water is inching closer and closer to new homes, which means new safety precautions must be taken.
We are suffering enough. We don't need to be in the heat with no air conditioning and no lights.
Pumps running and sandbags stacked.
As long as we can keep the water pumped out, they're leaving our power on, which is a big help.
Willow Beach homeowner Robert Van Duren tells me he and his neighbors refuse to lose power.
It's a lot of hard work, and it's very stressful.
So far, more than 50 homes have had power disconnected by North Little Rock Electric for safety reasons.
Obviously, with water and electricity, that's not a good combination.
Jill Ponder says this is keeping the company's team busy patrolling these flood-prone areas.
They have been surprised at how quickly it does move, so that's why it's been a continual process to just keep watching those areas.
We put a pump in our transformer this morning.
It's a team effort between the city and these homeowners that say they just don't want things to get any worse.
They have been wonderful. They're not cutting anybody off until they absolutely have to avoid somebody getting electrocuted or a transformer blowing up.
North Little Rock Electric tells me their crews will continue to monitor hard-hit areas like this within their city to determine if they need to cut off any more power. They also say if you're concerned about water hitting your power circuit, to make sure you give them a call. In North Little Rock, I'm Hillary Hunt. Back to you.